up next with Let It Be by Jennifer Hudson.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in the hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. Broken-hearted people living in the world agree there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be put out, there is still a chance that we'll see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be.
Let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Beautiful. I loved it. This is one of my best songs, actually.
When you realized that the song was going to choke you, you tried a little bit of falsetto there. Well, that was a clever way of running away from that, which was very nice. Keep the good work.
Beautifully done.
Thank you.